Hi, my name is Erica.
And my name's Kim.
We're the Zufall Snap Bed team.
And today we are going to learn how to slice and dice an onion.
Hoy vamos a aprender cómo cortar una cebolla en slices y en cubitos.
Okay, the first thing we are going to do is cut off the stem.
Ok, primero vamos a comenzar cortándolo de arriba.
And then we're going to take your onion and we're going to cut it down the middle.
Y después vamos a coger de aquí y cortar por el medio.
And take off the skin.
Y después vamos a comenzar con quitando la piel de la cebolla.
Okay, we're going to take 1/2 of our onion and we're going to be slicing it. Now notice when I hold onto the onion, I'm doing the claw technique so we don't cut the tips of our fingers.
Ok, ahora vamos a cortar nuestra cebolla. Dese cuenta de mi mano que lo estoy agarrando como una garra y vamos a cortar en slices.
Okay, now we're going to take the other half and we're going to dice the onion.
Ok, ahora vamos a coger la otra mitad y vamos a cortar en cubitos.
Okay, we're going to make vertical cuts, making sure we don't cut through the root.
Ok, ahora vamos a coger la cebolla y cortar horizontal.
Okay, now that we made our vertical cuts, we're going to slice it.
Ok, ahora que ya cortamos la cebolla vertical, la vamos a cortar en cubitos.
So now you're ready to add it to your favorite recipe.
Ahora podemos usar nuestras cebollas para nuestra receta favorita.